What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a house in Minecraft. As you can see, we already got the blocks. Now first we're going to make three of these, another 4, then we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're gonna add that right there. Moo chicken. Just like that. Then after that we're gonna go blocks down like 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, we're gonna place that block over there. And we will put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 of these. 7. Well, you can delete this, and we're gonna delete this first again. We're gonna delete that. Then 1, 2, 3 blocks, right? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just like this. We are gonna add more. This must be pantay here. Like this, like that. So what we're gonna do is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 on the side, like that. Then we're gonna add black stained glass pane, as you can see, spruce, and we're gonna add. Then we're gonna add spruce wood. So we got 5 of them, right? So this is the first. This is the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth. And we're gonna make this 4 blocks tall. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like that. So we have like an open space here. So we just keep repeating that. Yeah, like that. If you guys are having just keep going, just keep doing it. And that, like this, like that, like that, and like this, like that, like that, and bam! Let's just delete that right there. Then on the other side right here, we're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we're gonna add 2 of these. Then after that, I'm gonna try to get a better shot of us. Then after that, there is a space right here, right? It's not 2, it's actually 1. As you can see, look, see. 1. Because of the camera, see, it's 1. Okay, now we're gonna add 1, 2 gray concrete here. Then all the way right here. Then we're gonna put 1, 2 again. Then we're gonna put this up to 7. So this is 1. This is gonna be 2. This is gonna be 2. 3. There's 3 of them now. I mean 4 of them. Just keep going up until I just keep doing those stuff like that. This must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this. Just do like this. Are we going to a concert? I
Ano?
thought we were gonna go to White Beach.
Computer table.
Okay, guys. So then we're gonna add this here.
Monitor.
Then another one all the way like
Board.
this, like that. Then we're gonna add another one like that. Then I'm gonna put another one right here. One, two. Then
Mat.
put this all the way to the top,
Mat.
like
Green.
this.
Mouse.
Then we're gonna put that right there. After that, let's go make the windows. The windows will be used. The windows will be used for black stained glass screen. So we like that. We're gonna use like that. Then to the other side, we're gonna also do that to the other side. That. Just like that. Okay, now we're gonna add a wall. Now we're gonna add a roof. The roof will be here. Just like that. The next part is we're gonna need is smooth quartz blocks, and we also need slabs. We also need slabs, smooth quartz slabs, as you can see. Let's go cover this thing up.
Yan, Daddy. Ganito ang magiging setup ng complete.
But first we gotta do this.
Daddy, ganito ang magiging setup ng
But we're gonna put like a wall here, so we're gonna use this thingy.
Naka-above, ano?
We're gonna use this quartz blocks here. We're gonna do like that.
Itong is yun.
We're gonna around the
Ganito ang
place
binili
like
ko,
this.
ganito ang binili kong keyboard.
Like that. Then another one right here.
Lang Ryzen.
Another one right there.
Ang ano ko lang bilog din. Bilog yata ang ano.
Just like this. Then we're gonna add a one here, so we can have a window. Let's have a window here. Bro, not that. A window. Oh, there you go. And just like that, that's how we're gonna make the thingy. Oh my god, I don't have eyes. What happened? Oh, there we go, I have eyes now. Okay, I was just blinking. Okay, now we're gonna add one here. We're gonna add blocks of quartz right here, adding up to a window. Like this. And we're also gonna cover that. Two. One, two. Then that. We're gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks of quartz on top of these things that we made. Oh. Then after that, we're gonna put slabs on the roof. We're gonna put slabs on the roof like that, just like so.
How do you feel when I say maganda ka? You feel proud?
And guys,
Honestly, maganda
sorry for the voice in the background. It's just my mom. Okay, then that, guys. So this is the base. Then we're gonna add. Then we're gonna add stairs here. Let's use spruce stairs, and we need smooth quartz stairs, and like that. So we're gonna put the smooth quartz stairs right there. If you want the driveway right here, let's do like that. So 4 blocks, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks in each. Then we're gonna need stone, smooth stone. Smooth stone slab. Then we're gonna put smooth slabs right here. Then right there, guys. We're gonna put smooth slabs there.
Ayun doon.
And yeah. So we're gonna put smooth slabs there.
So, mag-list ka ng kain.
And
Sabi ko, nag-init ang ulam. Minessage kita. Nag-init ang
Like,
ulam, nakakaya walang pulutan.
totally. And we have a driveway. Then after that, we're gonna put two.
Bibili pa ang
We're
ulam
gonna
na
do
lang,
smooth
eh,
concrete.
daddy na pang
We're gonna put one right
organize.
here
Pero
and
bibili
right
ko na
here.
lang ay
Then we're gonna put
kahit
one,
mahirap, kulay
two,
din. Para
2,
malinis
3,
ang mga kable.
4,
At saka
5,
yung
6,
USB na
7.
parang yun yung-
7 of these things. So we're gonna put another one under here. Then, oops, that
Hindi na parang-
1,
Ano tawag mo na lang?
2,
Port
3,
extension, ano?
4, 5,
USB
6,
port
7.
extension.
Okay, now let's put that there, right there. Now let's connect them together. Just gonna connect them together. Like, just like so. Just like so, you know. Like that. Oops. Then we're gonna add smooth quartz stairs moving up. Like this. And also one here. And one there. Then we're gonna put another one on the top. But we're gonna put one on the top upside down like this. So it's supposed to be like this.
Magaling nga yung kalaban.
And like
Nagagamit ng
that.
konti ng laman ng utak ko eh.
Then it's gonna use black stain, black
Pero
stain.
sila na pala
We're
nagpuntahan
gonna put
doon.
right there
Mukhang
Right.
puntahan na ng sagil po
for
mo ah.
the things. But when you guys use fences, it's gonna be so boring. Okay, now let's go. Oh my. Now let's move on. So if we go move 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks,
Pag sa ganito ko
We open
pinadaan ng
these
land
two
table,
up.
okay lang.
we're gonna put smooth stairs. Wala. Then we're gonna need
Di ba siya parang extension cord na
we're gonna need spruce slabs. So, you know. Okay. Spruce slabs like this. Just keep putting smooth slabs everywhere. Any block of your choice. Mine is gonna be spruce slabs.
Ang gagaling pag mga Indiano, no?
You know, like those type of things.
Pero kapag kayo mga
Okay.
Britain, mga
So,
ganyan
we're gonna
kalabang
put those things.
Basta nanalo pa nga ako, hindi mo ako magaling mo. Hindi mo ako
Wait guys, let me just finish over this.
Ang yayaban na kami magagaling agad. Putang na yun, wala malang practice.
We'll just like that. Now we're gonna in here. I'm gonna cut 2 or 3 of them. Then we're gonna put spruce stairs. So we're gonna put 1, 2, 1 up, 1 up, 1 up.
Mahal pala itong
Bro,
ganito.
Come on,
Extension.
not that. No. Other one.
Ganito.
1, yeah. And then I guess we need oh my god, we need a whole just like that.
Ay,
Now
pwede pala pag nalakan si Tober,
if
pwede
you guys
natin
want
gamitin na may
wool,
gumamit sa mga
we
pupupan
need
na.
gray wool for the flooring. So
Lalawas lang
let's
natin.
use the gray wool for flooring
Ito po,
flooring
pero wala na tayong lalabas.
downstairs.
Ano nga yun? 2018 eh.
Wala.
2018
Uy, uy,
onward.
go!
Kung ano, upuan dun masama mo po sa
Ano, dinig ka?
ang kanilang
Text na naman ako.
parang
So guys, we're gonna put gray wool right here.
parang minus nila ay
Like that.
na mga
Okay guys, so we're gonna motorcycle.
napabayaan.
Pero bakit
Okay, guys.
Kamutan. May kapila eh. Sinilin ko.
Why?
Ikaw pa nang
Yeah. Then we're gonna put some, you know, spruce things. All the way when we have 2 blocks left. Like like that. So we're gonna add slabs here, 2 blocks there, and 2 blocks right here.
Diba?
That's
Para
right.
alam niyang napapaisip ako.
Then I think that's it.
So good.
Okay guys, I think that will be it. Okay guys, so I forgot to add doors, so we're gonna add doors right here. So we're gonna put doors right there, so we can
Hindi,
have
update
a-
lang.
So we can have
Magkano
a
nga
thing
yung total
right
yung ano?
here. So let's start with the
Yung
furniture.
Wala, mag-compute ko muna.
I want an
Kaya nga,
end rod.
kukumpitin ko nga. Kasi,
So we're gonna have an end. So guys, we're gonna have an end rod inside the thingy. So we're gonna have an end rod.
Yung change niya,
Um,
yung change niya, at saka yung breakdown ng 2316.
Okay, so
Ang
we
mali
have
lang-
the end rod.
Ang mali lang ako yung 1702
And
kasi
then
naka times 12 siya.
I don't know why is the
Hindi
screen
naman to times
kept
12 dapat.
flickering.
Times ano
Then we're
lang
gonna
po,
put the
1.
end rod like this. Then second part, this spot, we're gonna put an end rod
99,000
right
sa
there.
C.
Then after that,
Umalis na yung susunod.
we're gonna
Ay,
have
hindi, kaya nga mali na.
furnaces.
15,000 ay kasama.
And probably we
15,000
also
pa nga
need
to dapat.
iron.
Dahil kasama ang
And we also need doors.
kasama
So,
ang
this
FS.
Hindi kasi,
So
pwede talaga natin
we can also add flower pots if you guys want.
Kasi
Hindi na
nga,
siya
It's
mag-e-FS.
your guys' decision, but I'm
Parang-
Hindi
gonna
na siya mag-FS
show you guys.
kasi.
para
like
99,000
use
ito
thingies,
legit.
you know.
Itong C. Sabi ko,
Okay, so we have end rod. We need this
Meron ka
corner.
pa nakita
Eh,
26 o dahil hindi na
Dagdag
bayaran?
na. Nakabuli na natin
We
ng
need
tatlo.
an
Oh,
iron
grabe,
door
March.
and an iron
Hindi, pwede pa siya
thing.
ng ano.
Eh,
Where's the iron?
Pailit,
Where's the
ipapailit.
iron?
1,000.
I think there's no
Ba't
iron.
1,000? Wala nga.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Okay guys, so I
Magbibigay
think
ka
there's
pa
no
ng
iron
discount.
actually. There's an iron? Where's the iron?
15,000 nga
Ano ito,
dapat.
screenshot ko sa akin.
Map.
Hindi,
Mali
ano
yung
ko nga.
1702. Kasi
Oh,
hindi
what the
ko
heck is
kung
that?
paano mo
Okay,
pebrosuhan
iron.
yung annual ITR niya.
There's iron.
Eh, sabi natin ang annual ITR 15,000.
But first we gotta do like this.
Oh,
Oh,
pinaka.
and we need the painting.
Hindi kasi maging 15,000.
Okay guys, so we're gonna have a painting right here.
Basta sabi ko ano.
Pero expected naman yan, 200
Like that, we're gonna put a painting right there. Then we also need stairs.
Pwede kang lapitan dito sa...
We're gonna have stairs at least.
Ikaw lang kung sino...
We need a water bucket also, a tripwire, and
Eh, siya ang ano
what do we need more? Furnace or
Siya
something?
lang kasi...
We already have a furnace.
Oo nga, pero...
We need a cauldron actually.
But, ang
So where's the
nilalapitan
cauldron?
kasi pag
My question. I don't.
Hindi pa naman siya low.
Cauldron.
Notice pa lang siya.
I know they have
Hindi,
cauldron
sabi
here.
niya sa akin nung nandoon.
I know there's cauldron right here. I don't want to search. Oh, there's a
Low
cauldron.
ba na yun? Dahil...
Ang
But
LOA,
first we gotta
ang
use
nakalagay
this.
doon ay LOA, yung letter of
You see
authority.
This door.
Kung nag-fail ka
We're
sa
gonna put it right here in this block, like that.
papadalhan ng
Bro.
LOA. Ito, notice na.
Like that, like 2 doors like that. Then you're gonna put like that. Like
Pero ano pa
then
kailangan
you'll need a
natin
fridge.
sa doon sa...
Then after that, we're gonna put
Kumpay ang mga pang-
Lahat,
a
lahat na attachment ka ng ano.
cauldron.
Dahil 2018,
I
wala
mean, a
namang
painting.
attachment ka niya. Hindi,
Then a
ng...
cauldron.
ng
Cauldron
nag-start ang
like
attachment
this.
2022, 2020
attachment
pala.
na.
Ng from
A
BIR,
tripwire
yung
hook
attachment.
and a water.
BIR attachment.
Then if you guys want a picture right there, put a picture right there. Like a beautiful picture.
Siyempre, may ganito.
Hindi, dati kasi, hindi. Kasi dati, tanda ko noon. Hindi, tanda ko noon kasi dati, nung nag-aasan ganito, form lang talaga kasi wala pang attachment noon. Yun yung dati nga. So kung ngayon, talaga, wala lang problema. Ang akin lang,
Okay, then we're gonna
patanong
put those
lang.
back
Saan
there.
Kasi wala naman
Bam.
akong computer na surcharge.
And that's how you make it.
At saka penalty.
Then
Ano
we
to,
also
sir?
Wala
need
naman
a
sa-
thing again.
Kanina.
So we're gonna add
Kasi
we're
wala
gonna add
naman
this
siyang babayaran
here,
eh.
right there,
Wala naman siyang tax due.
here, like that.
Oo nga, diretso naman ang
Diretso
filing.
filing na, diretso sa bit na. Kasi
Then,
katulad nung
Ang ginawa ko lang kanina, yung
We're gonna
pamprinting
have
lang
a
dahil nakakain yung oras.
After
Ay,
that,
pamasabit ko
we
lang
gotta
ng
make-
buo yung tatlong.
We gotta make
tatlong taon na tig sa 10.
a quartz stairs right here.
Yung tig sa... Hanggang
Then,
tatlong taon pa lang ako.
Here's the view, right?
12.
This right here, right? You see that
Ah,
right there?
12 pala, 12.
You're gonna put stairs
Hindi,
right
i-send
there.
mo na ng isend mo na ng isend.
Ayun nga, eh.
Like that. So we're gonna put
We have
that stairs right there,
blanket.
like this. Then bamboo, like that. So you have a perfect view. Like you can like imagine yourself sitting down.
Dati nga pa rin na naman ang sitting mo. Kung naman sa baba mo.
You can have some
Then,
Si Utoy, alam mo,
Then-
mali na ang baga ng
spruce wood Then we're gonna have a bookshelf and a bed that is colored
Sa
black.
personal naman.
And any colors that you want. But I'm gonna put
Ano
it
po
over
kaya
there.
ito?
Then we're gonna have a stairs right here, like that.
Yung nga inisip yung tao lalapitan. Bata kasi rin na lalaki. Bata ka na lalaki na kasi po. Hindi, dun sa ano. Pero pag negotiation, kaso pag
Oh,
arin
that
body.
looks ugly.
Matanda na. Matanda
Gamitin mo
na.
kaya si
Nakasalang.
Toba.
Like that. Oh, wait, it looks more better. Oh yeah, it does.
Sama mo, gagamitin ko
Okay.
sa bading.
Whoa.
Yun yung...
Wait.
Eto lahat, babayaran mo kasi ito sa
Like
window
that.
6. Yung bading. Ma-consider yung
That's
bading o yung
how-
batang babae na may salamin.
And that's
Ah, window 6. Window 7.
okay. So
7 or
Oo,
8.
sa ulit.
this
Paano
will be the ground.
Hindi, papalit-palit
Okay, so,
yung may bading dito. Yun
probably
yung
you
minura
guys
naman,
want to
yung
watch
taga-alura na
tomorrow?
nag-swatch sa
the ground floor. I'm gonna add more to this.
Kamukha ni Binson.
And okay, so that would be the ending. That's the video, and don't ask why it's blurry because I add a blurry affection.
Kamukha ni Binson.
Hindi.
And see you guys in the next. See you guys in the next.